Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Instagram, open our profile, clicking on the profile button in the bottom right corner. And here from the profile we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner to open settings and activity. Here you need to scroll down a little bit until you will find time management option. This is the last option in how you use Instagram section with a little clock icon. Click on it. And now here basically the last option is what we need, sleep mode. So click on the sleep mode and basically here we can turn on sleep mode. So turn on the first option here. And now the sleep mode is turned on from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. But we need to make some settings to it. So basically we need to change the start time first of all. So for example, I'm sleeping from 10 p.m. To 12 a.m. I don't know, something like that, and I want to sleep like that from Tuesday to Wednesday, something like that. But basically, Tuesday and Wednesday is sleeping times, is sleeping days when I'm not sleeping like that. So basically, by clicking the days, you are excluding them. So if you make them all white, it means they are all done for every day. So this time is for every day. And basically, click on the save button in the bottom side of the screen to activate your sleep mode. And basically that is it. That is how we can turn on sleep mode on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.